Heron Pawn and Loan is Counter's pawn shop demo, and it shows what no other demo can. A catalog where every item is unique, barcodes the shop prints for itself, and a register that works 3 jobs. Here is the route. We open it from the counter console. Read what this counter does. Barcode printing, inventory, and checkout. All 3 purposes at once. And down in the modules, a card no other demo tour showed. Label formats, badged for the print job. Chapter 1. The Catalog. A grocery stocks cases of the same soda. A pawn shop shelves 20 different stories. So this catalog is built around single units and provenance. The Catalog and Stock module. 20 products in 7 departments. Jewelry, watches, instruments, tools, electronics, cameras, coins. Scroll the table. A gold chain, a Stratocaster, a MacBook, a Morgan dollar. Every row one physical object, photographed and priced on its own. Look closer at a row. 3 columns no other demo has. Condition, pre-owned, serviced, maker, Rolex, and serial. This Submariner carries R-884213 right on its row. The paperwork lives with the price. Those columns are custom fields, and they are yours. The editor ships with 3: condition, maker/brand, serial, and you can mark any as required or add more. Appraised value, loan number. Every product picks the new column up instantly. Chapter 2. The Barcodes. You cannot buy a factory barcode for a secondhand guitar. So Counter mints a SKU for every item and turns it into a real, printable label. Back in the table. Every row carries its own barcode, minted in sequence. PWN00001 for the gold chain. Rendered right there as code 128, with a per-item symbology selector underneath. These are the exact codes the register will scan in Chapter 3. The Label Formats module decides what the sticker looks like. A thermal label, 50 by 25 millimeters, carrying the product name, the price, and the barcode number in readable text. Printing reuses TagHeron's print sheet engine, and they are real Studio Library objects. The catalog's Studio Library screen shows all 20 pawn items already imported as labels. And Counter reads 14 symbologies if you bring your own. Make the label once. The same code sells the item. Chapter 3. Run it. 3 purposes means the register is not just a till. Its sidebar is a mode switcher. Sell, count and receive, stock, print labels. Where you stand is the mode. Hit run. Out of the configuration screens, into the real thing. It opens locked. Danielle Cooper works the register. Frank Boone manages. We come in as Frank. And look where it lands us. Not the till, the label station. For a shop that tags everything it takes in, this is home base. A watch just came over the counter. The Omega Seamaster. Scan its SKU and the station pulls it up. Photo, price, department, and a print queue counting on the right. 1 tap, and the sticker heads to the thermal printer. Scan, print, tag. That is intake. Chapter 4. The Sale. 1 click and the same scanner works its second job. And because everything here is one of a kind, selling has a consequence no other demo can show. Sell mode. Scan first. The Rolex Submariner. $8,500. Straight into the cart. The 1-ounce Gold Eagle. $2,050. 2 scans. $10,550 on the ticket. When every item has an exact code, the register just keeps up. Charge. Cash. The amount is already exact. Take it. And there is the ticket. Heron Pawn and Loan, Las Vegas. Buy, sell, loan. The total spelled out in words. The house policy at the foot. All sales final. 30-day layaway. And a barcode for the ticket itself. Now stock. And the pawn shop truth. The Rolex reads 0 on hand, in red. No reorder point, no supplier to call. A one-of-a-kind that sells is simply gone, and the shelf's at cost value drops with it. And reports. Preloaded with weeks of demo history, sales by product, stock on hand and value, shrinkage for the day something walks. The sales summary is date-ranged. Revenue, transactions, average ticket. With a download CSV button, so the accountant gets a file. That is Heron Pawn and Loan. 21 of a kinds with condition. Brand and serial on every row. Barcodes the shop mints and prints for itself. One register working 3 jobs. And stock that goes honestly to 0 when a unique item walks out. Open it, break it, reset it. Then point counter at your own shelf of singular things. It starts free in the browser.